Of All the People in All the World is an exhibition in which we use grains of rice to represent human statistics, and we tell stories by comparing those human statistics in adjacent piles of rice. We have 2 tons of rice, which is 120 million grains, and from that stock of rice we make smaller piles of rice to show those human statistics and develop narratives in the comparison between them. In the inner temple there are lots of portraits and references to the Great Fire. Behind me there's a portrait of King James II, who wasn't king at the time but was the king's brother. He was very active in fighting the fire. Other portraits in the room are of the fire judges who were involved in working out who owned the land and where the boundaries were in that ownership when the city was rebuilt. In looking into ideas for the show, we found the statistic of all the people that were made homeless by the Great Fire, and that got us thinking about contemporary parallels. So in this version of the show we have a pile of rice that represents all the refugees in the world today. The power of this show in changing the world is giving the basis of where do we go from here, how can the world change, what needs to change, what doesn't need to change. Where are we good at being in this world and where are we bad at being in this world?